Hi guys, welcome back to another exciting vlog from the travel couple Chathu Ishanka. So today we are in beautiful city called Zaandam, and it's very famous for its different architectural buildings, as you can see from here.
Yeah, so it's really famous for this green color. I mean, almost all buildings are here colored in green. So yeah, now come with us to explore
Let's
Zaandam.
explore, Zaandam city. Hotel in Zaandam with very nice structure, so you can take plenty of beautiful pictures from here. Which is the oldest industrial area in Western Europe, and also it is very famous for windmills and also wooden houses.
Yeah, so from Zaandam actually it's only about 10 minutes train journey to here. So from there we can just walk towards these windmills. So come with us to explore Zaanse Schans and its beautiful windmills.
And entering the Zaanse Schans. From here we can see a nice view of windmills. So come with us to explore Zaanse Schans.
Thank you.
and there are also plenty of museums you can visit. From here you can have a boat ride to directly to the old village as well.
Yeah, so these windmills actually have been used for making spices, paint, oil, likewise for plenty of industries. These windmills.
So in spring these fields are used to be tulip fields. So I can imagine how the view would be. So definitely we should visit next spring as well. No, it's so heavy. So with this, our tour to Zaanse Schans is coming to an end. So we had a quality time here. So there are so many photo spots and you can freely roam around.
Yeah, also there are so many museums if you want to visit, and you can have boat ride in this Zaanse River. So yeah, it's definitely a great place to visit near to Amsterdam. So it's easily reachable by train. So yeah, with that we are going to sign out for today. I'm expecting to come back with another exciting video really soon.
Yeah, so stay with us and bye bye until next time.
Yeah.